Today is going to be an epic battle. Who does the color grade better? A professional filmmaker, ChatGPT, or Claude AI? Today, we are putting that to a test. I'm taking the exact same footage. I'll give it to myself, give it to ChatGPT and Claude AI. No excuses, no second chances. 3 different approaches, 1 final video. And in the end, you are going to decide who wins. Today, we are going to test the waters. Is AI really better in color grading than a human being who knows what he's doing? The color grading battle begins now. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. The video has about 7 clips stitched together. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of each of the 7 clips and give it to ChatGPT and also Claude AI. And I'm gonna ask them to generate a .qplot file for Premiere Pro. So here's how it goes. I also let them know that there's a competition between both of them. I told ChatGPT that is a competition between you and Claude AI, and then I told Claude AI that it's a competition between you and ChatGPT because I wanted them to give their best. ChatGPT asked questions, but it really wanted to know if I'm shooting with Blackmagic or some other camera, but I'm shooting with C-Log. So I had to explain to ChatGPT that I'm using a C-Log, and it ended up giving us 2 LUT file. I'm not sure we're gonna use 2 of them, but we're gonna use 1. So after getting the .qp file, I'm gonna rush to Premiere Pro and impute them to our video B-roll. Here I'll be using an adjustment layer so it will be easy for us to hide one layer while we are showing the other one. If you do not know how to use a LUT file on your Premiere Pro, let me know. I'm gonna make a tutorial explaining how you can do that. Remember, we had 2 LUT file from ChatGPT. I'm gonna do it with 1. In this contest, we're not gonna have 4 videos, we're gonna have 3 videos. So I'm gonna leave the one that looks a bit cinematic. I'm gonna go with the first one where I did not do lots of explanation because that would be cheating if I'm explaining to one and I'm not explaining to one. So Claude AI didn't ask question, it just handed me a LUT file. We're gonna go with the first LUT. At the end of this video, I might attach the video that was done by the second LUT so that you guys can also make the comparison. So now that we are done with what AI can do, it's time to show AI what I can do. I'm just gonna speed things up here so that you guys can, I didn't want to just boom tell you guys, oh, this is what I did. I want you guys to actually see that I'm doing it so that you know that whatever result we get is what I did here. So I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, so it's gonna play a little bit faster and we can get to the final part. This for those who wanted to see what the second grade looked like after ChatGPT got all the information it needed, the kind of camera I used, and what kind of log I shot with. So we've come to the end of this video. Let me know who you think won this battle. And if you want to see more comparison between the AI and a human being, let me know what next you want me to compare, and I'll do just that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and peace out for now.